At Move4, we're ushering in a new paradigm, a brand new way of delivering IT services that provides more value at a fraction of the cost. Today's fast-paced business environment is marked by intense pressure to perform with less in the face of more intense competition and a hostile economy. As a result, businesses must continually find new ways to utilize the assets they have much more efficiently. Finding these new ways requires agility and continuous innovation. Such innovation can reduce inefficiency, cost, and provide more time for innovation, provide better information to support better decisions that can improve profits, provide additional value to customers, creating competitive advantage and additional sales, and provide new sources of revenue to fuel growth. Innovation is achieved by a company's most valuable asset, its people, who need the capacity, which is the time, and the capability, or know-how and tools, to carry it out. Often, however, businesses devote little time to innovation because its people are too busy dealing with inefficiency. Most of this inefficiency is reflected in two key activities. The first is labor-intensive business analysis and performance reporting, digging backwards to understand what has already happened. We'll call this retro-analysis. The second is the extra time spent on normal functions and trying to compensate for gaps in systems or business processes. These innovation inhibitors leave a business especially vulnerable given the modern competitive landscape. In many businesses, a quarter or more of the time of a key contributor is spent on retro-analysis. The majority of time is spent performing normal functions and addressing real-time operational challenges, or fighting fires. This leaves only a very limited amount of time for the value-creating process of innovation. Reducing the time spent on these other activities by just 10% can almost triple the amount of time available for innovation and new value creation. Freeing time for innovation and then actually delivering requires technology. In virtually every business, the technology needs of the entire organization is funneled through a relatively small IT department that relies on pools of technical specialists that are hard to find, hard to retain, and whose numbers are shrinking each year due to budget cuts. Development methods that rely on too many technologies that add unnecessary complexity, time, and cost. Inefficient layers of communications that take too much time and yield poor quality. The result? Long request queues and a long wait for results. Sometimes businesses opt to simply throw out all of the old systems and turn to massive fix-all software solutions that tie up enormous amounts of capital, result in business distraction and interruption, take years to deliver results, and longer to realize intended benefits if those benefits come at all. Moreover, it can take so long to deliver that the solution becomes obsolete before it's delivered. These traditional approaches by themselves simply fail to deliver a practical capability at a cost today's businesses can afford. An entirely new approach is needed, urgently. In our next video, our groundbreaking technology, we describe how our proprietary software can help a business create a powerful enterprise-wide innovation capability practically, fast, and without breaking the bank. For more information about our products and services, please visit us at www.move4.net.